कुछ भी नहीं आता है जिनको
आप दादी से बोलिए।
आपदा कौन सी?
जो न्यूज़ आप आई थी ना।
क्यों?
The cries of a newborn filled the room as a baby boy entered the world, a symbol of life, hope, and resilience. But this wasn't just any ordinary birth, it was a moment that left even the most experienced nurse in awe. Weighing in at 2.8 kilograms, the baby boy seemed perfect, but a closer look revealed something unexpected: blood clots. The discovery set a sense of urgency in the room, but amidst the concern, one nurse rose to the occasion with incredible skill and care. Childbirth is often described as a roller coaster of emotions. For this mother, it was no different. Moments after the delivery, the team noticed small blood clots on the newborn's skin. Questions filled the air. What caused it? Could it be harmful? Medical staff quickly sprang into action, determined to ensure the baby's safety. Among them was a nurse who became the unsung hero of the day. Known for her gentle touch and unmatched expertise, she took it upon herself to clean the baby with extraordinary precision and care. Every move was deliberate. She handled the fragile newborn with a combination of medical knowledge and maternal instinct, ensuring that not a single trace of clot remained. The cleaning process was more than just a routine task, it became a moment of silent heroism. As she worked, the tension in the room began to ease. The clots were carefully cleaned away, revealing smooth, unblemished skin beneath. The baby's cries softened, as if sensing the love and care being poured into every movement. Witnesses to this event couldn't help but marvel at the nurse's dedication. She not only cleaned the baby thoroughly but also reassured the anxious mother, her words acting as a balm for frayed nerves. "He's strong and healthy," she said with a smile, lifting the spirits of everyone in the room. Every birth is special, but moments like these remind us of the delicate balance of life and the critical role caregivers play in ensuring the health and well-being of newborns. The nurse's actions showcase the power of compassion and expertise, proving that even small acts can make a big difference. For the parents, this event became a story they would cherish forever, a testament to their baby's resilience and the incredible team who welcomed him into the world. The little boy, now safely cradled in his mother's arms, represents more than just new life. He is a reminder of the strength of human care and the importance of those who go above and beyond in moments of uncertainty. As the family looks forward to their journey together, they'll always remember this day not just as the birth of their son, but as the moment they witnessed extraordinary care in action.